Assalamu alaikum, I am engineer Muhammad Magdi, and today I will talk about plate SA516 carbon steel plate material receiving. Uh, we have to use two standard. Okay. First, we have to use ASME 2 Part A. ASME 2 Part A for ferrous material in two ports. The first port beginning to SA450. The second port from SA451 to the end. Okay. General specification SA20 for carbon steel plates used for pressure vessel. Okay, we will use it, and the product specification SA516. Okay, first we will begin with SA20. Okay, this specification. Okay, we will begin with it. Standard specification for general requirement for steel plates for pressure vessels scope. This general requirement specification cover a group of common requirements that, unless otherwise specified in the applicable product specification. Okay, product specification here is about 4 papers. Okay, so if something is not mentioned in product specification, we will use the general specification. Okay, this general specification apply to rolled steel plates for pressure vessel covered by each of the following product specification. This general requirement included all pressure vessel material, something like nickel steel plates A203 or molybdenum A204 or carbon steel plates A516. Okay, so this is general requirement specification, and there is a product specification. General requirement specification also cover a group of supplementary requirements that are applicable to several of the above product specification. Okay, if you want to ask the purchaser for a supplement test or supplement restriction. Okay, we have to use SA20. Okay, this is supplement requirement. Ultrasonic examination in accordance with A435, magnetic particle examination. Okay, S8 for ultrasonic, S9 for magnetic particle test. Okay, additional testing or additional restriction are required by the purchaser and apply only if specified individually in the purchase order. When you write the purchase order, you have to write the S8 ultrasonic examination if you required it, or S9 magnetic particle examination. In case of any conflict between SA20 and SA516, the requirement of the applicable product specification prevail over those in the general requirement specification, because this general requirement specification include a lot of different types of materials. So the information and requirement in the SA20 is not accurate like SA516. When you compare chemical composition from MTC 4 plate SA516, okay, grade 70, to SA20 chemical analysis table 1 and SA516 table 1 chemical composition, you will see that SA516 product specification have main 5 elements like carbon, silicon, manganese, phosphor, sulfur. Okay, and the other element written in the SA20. Okay, when you review a material test certificate, you have to use two standard. SA20 have a general element, but SA516 is product specification have the main 5 elements like carbon, silicon, manganese, phosphor, sulfur. Thank you for watching. like and share, subscribe, and see you later.
السلام عليكم.